Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we have got another exciting topic lined up. In this video, I am sharing 5 healthy snacks under 100 calories. These are volume rich options that will keep you satisfied. Let's get into it. First up, we have air pop popcorn, just 20 gram of raw corn kernels. Once popped, it gives you around 3 cups of light, crunchy goodness, all under 95 calories. Skip the oil and add a pinch of salt or any masala of your choice for flavor. It is one of the best high volume snacks out there. Next is a moong sprout salad. Take about 25 gram of raw moong dal and sprout it. Add chopped onions, tomatoes, cucumbers and a squeeze of lemon. This fiber rich combo comes to just around 95 calories and keeps you full for hours. Number 3 is simple but super effective. 250 grams of watermelon. That's a full bowl loaded with water and natural sweetness, and it clocks in at only 85 to 90 calories. Perfect for hot days and sugar craving. At number 4, we have got egg burji made with one whole egg, around 100 grams raw and chopped veggies like onion, tomato and capsicum. Cook it in a non-stick pan with zero or minimal oil. This comes in just under 100 calories and gives you high quality protein and flavor. Last one, 500 grams of cucumber with about 1 tablespoon of homemade mint chutney. The chutney is made with mint, coriander, green chili, lemon juice and salt. No oil or nuts. This combo is crunchy, refreshing and keeps you snacking guilt-free for under 90 calories. So the next time hunger strikes, you have got tasty, low-calorie options ready to go. If you found this helpful, drop a like and share it with someone who is always snacking. Don't forget to subscribe for more real, practical nutrition tips. See you in the next one.